In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PPSSPP on your iPhone without any errors. But before we get started, make sure to follow each and every steps carefully. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to click the link given in the description of the video. It will take you to this page. From here, you will have to download the IPA file of PPSSPP. Just scroll down, go to iOS section. In the iOS section, you can see latest.ipa. Just tap on this. Here you can see the PPSSPP.IPA file. Just tap on this. Click on download. The file will be downloaded on your iPhone. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Here you can see that you have successfully downloaded PPSSPP IPA file. The next step is to install FlexStore on your iPhone. FlexStore is an amazing platform to sideload apps on your iPhone. I made a dedicated video on how to download and install FlexStore on your iPhone. You can check that video in the description. Once the FlexStore is installed on your iPhone, open the FlexStore app. It has a section named as Signer. Just tap on the Signer at the bottom. Here you can select the IPA file. Select IPA file, choose File, select PPSSPP, click on Sign App. The app will be uploaded. Now click on Install. And this will install PPSSPP on your iPhone. You can see the app is being installed. The benefit of using FlexStore is that PPSSPP will not stop working on your iPhone even after 7 days. Now you can see that you have successfully installed PPSSPP on your iPhone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.